Gemini. Let's see what we have for you guys. Ooh, looks like this is the Wheel of Fortune. Your investments. You got somebody around you that because this person's like, I don't know, it's like a lot of people are realizing that they're not as fucking hot as they think they are. It's like, be careful on somebody actually taking shit out on you because something failed around them. Somebody could be on their emotions over some type of deception. They could have gotten caught up doing something, or it's like they were deceived some way. This person could have had some type of sex addictions too. It's like they were being sneaky, doing the most, and they could have even ghosted you. This person is going to be forced to actually look at themselves and be faced with the truth. Like, literally, everything's being illuminated on them right now. This person feels weak. Damn. With the 10 wands. Yeah, this is going to literally cause them to sit their ass down and take a look at the things that they've created for themselves. I got strong Leo energy here. Also Capricorn, Virgo. And it's like the more this person, I don't know, this person tries to like get past their issues, they're just going to end up in more. Be careful with this individual not trying to like lay their burdens on you or try to have you help them somehow. Because this person is grieving something over some type of commitment that didn't work out. Let's see anything else. They like literally took over your whole room. Secrets. Yeah, there's a lot that you don't know about. It's being hidden from you for a reason. There's going to be some type of fast communication here. This person could come in and tell you that they've been waiting on you. When in reality, no, that's not the case. Shit just didn't go right for them. Whatever they were working on, that shit just fell apart too. Like, maybe they left you struggling somehow. Their own people could have turned against them too as well. Be careful when they play the victim. It was for a reason that they like, that they're getting what the backlash from their people. This could be friends around them. What does Gemini need to concentrate on? You know what? Erase that. What's Gemini coming towards them? Gemini coming towards them. Be careful of illusions. This person's going to come in trying to work with you somehow. They could be telling you that they let go of something from the past, but this person's still toxic. This person could be very violent as well. They could have been dealing with another fire sign, but something closed out. this person's going through right now. They're trapped in their head. Like, they're fucking... If it's not physical jail, this is like somebody stuck in their head because of something that happened. There could have been a lot of toxicity with this individual and somebody else too. But you're going to see the truth pretty soon. This person's going to come to the realizations, like, of who you were for them. And why you truly walked away, why you had to walk away from them. Keep your guard down. Keep your guard up with this individual. If this person asks you for financial help, don't help them out. This person could be trying to take money from you just to give to somebody else as well. You've been keeping a close eye on them, though. You've been keeping a close eye on them. So you kind of know what's going on, too. There's a missed opportunity. You got somebody financially stable coming your way, though. Well, this individual is, like, struggling. And this person's going to have to realize that you were a missed opportunity. And whatever grief that they put you through, they're going to end up going through. And it's all because of the, like, foolish decisions they decided to do. Yeah, they're going to be forced to, like, really... It's like everybody's getting their karma right now. And everybody's being forced to, like, realize what the fuck they created for themselves. What do you have for Don't let this affect you. As in, like, don't allow this to end up, like, closing your heart out. Although you might feel like you're, like, I don't know, you're losing parts of yourself. Don't allow that to close your heart out, because I do see it's like you need to let go. And for some of you guys, you have, like, this loyalty to you. And that's what's causing you to, like, really want to hold on to this individual or want to help them when they come back. But with fulfillment in the reverse, you know that this person has not, like, is not your person, especially for what they did. If this person let this go to work on something else, just know that this can happen again. This is allowing you to transform yourself, like, really, like, once you let this go, grow from this. This is going to literally catapult you forward somehow. You're never, like, broken, though. Don't think that, like, just because you feel... Oh, shit, just because you feel like... I don't know, it's like you feel in pieces and stuff, but you're not broken at all. You're always put together. Remember, you don't lose people. People lose you, especially when you're a good person. And you've done nothing but help them. Yeah, don't stay in, like, some victim mentality, okay? Don't do that, because that's not going to help you actually, like, go anywhere. Actually realize that you're not a victim. Like, you're not. That's because at the end of the day, we chose to deal with the individual that we chose with. You know, we possibly didn't know, like, what was going to happen, but just know that you always got people watching over you. You know, you guys are being, like, guided towards something different, but don't allow this to, like, make you feel less than or anything. This person fucked themselves over. You need to learn how to love yourself. Start pouring that love into yourself. And don't be tempted by this person, all right? When they come back, if they do come back. You need to start learning from your past experiences. This is how teachable are you. What have you learned? And if somebody's trying to like give you some type of advice, listen to them. You don't have to do what they say, but like maybe they know something about an experience that you possibly don't. You have the courage to move forward. You just really have to like pull yourselves out of that victim mentality right now. That's not going to help you in any way. Anything else for Gemini? This could be in like a very sexual based connection as well. You're going to realize that you attracted this individual because there was something that you were mirroring this person. Both of you guys were missing something within yourselves. And you guys allowed basically sex-based connections to get the best of you. You guys could have confused sex with love. Like lust with love. This person could have somehow like really made you feel like, I don't know. It's like this person filled some type of void, but it was just a sexual based connection. Yeah, it's gonna be, this person's gonna tempt you. Make sure you stand your ground on this, okay? Like, be firm on what you say and don't allow this person back in if this person like humiliated you some way. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that out there. I hope this gave you some type of clarity, Gemini.